This is the Cove Tower at Atlantis, Bahamas. To go to the Atlantis, you have to take this bridge and pay the toll, and after the bridge, you have to take immediate left to get to Atlantis. All these colorful residences are harborside residences, belongs to Atlantis. Here we are approaching Cove and Reef Tower. Here the Reef Tower is coming on the left, and in the front on the left we are approaching to the Cove Tower. We have booked Oceanfront deluxe suite in Cove Tower. Now we are entering the Cove entrance. Among all the 5 hotels, Cove is one of the upscale and luxurious hotel which has a private beach and a private pool only accessible to the Cove guests. As soon as you enter, you will be greeted by a high ceiling, open-ended lobby area which will open to the beach and the private pool. And as you enter through the lobby, on your left you will see the reception desk area, and opposite to the reception desk area there is a VIP lounge. Cove is just surrounded by water features like koi pond, rivers and waterfalls. This is just the beginning of the aquamarine life of Atlantis. This is Crescent VIP Lounge. We are now walking towards Cove Tower and the elevator to get to our room. As we continue towards the elevator, we saw lots of branded shops. This is the entrance of the Cove Tower. We are at 10th floor. And it's a deluxe ocean suite with 1 king bed and 1 sofa bed. The moment you enter, there is a nice foyer area, and then the walk-in closet, which is very spacious, have 2 robes, hangers and a safe box. Then as you go in, here is a 1 king size bed. Then you step down and here is a beautiful spacious living area and a working desk. Here is a small refrigerator. And after the living area, the bright and beautiful oceanfront spacious balcony with chairs and a small coffee table. Wow, look at this gorgeous, beautiful view. all the cruise ships are visible from here. You can enjoy the cruise. I can see the display monitor on the cruise. I can even hear the sound of it. This side of the beach is only accessible to the Cove guests, and they will check your pink wristband. Okay, going back inside. Now they have given some complimentary water bottle, nice pink color, and two flip-flops, which is written Cove, and a big and nice beach bag. Wow, you can take it. And here is a Keurig coffee maker. Now it's the bathroom. Beautiful soaking tub with one nice big size shower and two his and her vanities. And here is a full-length mirror. You can enjoy sunset view from the balcony. And here is the nighttime view from the balcony. And it's the Cove Tower at night. There are two dining at the lobby area. One is fish, another one is sea glass lounge. This is the end of the tour. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comments and I will try to reply. Thank you.